Hey everyone, Mark here. Today we're looking at an amazing deal on a 42-inch TV that's perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or smaller living spaces. It's the Insignia 42-inch Class F20 Series LED Full HD Smart Fire TV, and the model number is NS42F201NA23. The best part, right now it's only $139.99. That's a steal for a TV this size with all these features. In this video, we'll break down everything this TV has to offer, and why it might be the perfect choice for you. We'll cover the basics, the cool features, and even talk about some things you might want to consider before you buy. By the end, you'll know if this Insignia TV is the right fit for your needs. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specs, let's talk about Insignia. You might not know this, but Insignia is a Best Buy brand, which means they stand behind their products. They're known for offering solid quality at affordable prices, and this TV is a perfect example of that. The Insignia NS42F201NA23 has been a popular choice for people looking for a budget-friendly TV that doesn't skimp on features. It's got everything you need to enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and even games without breaking the bank. So, what are we working with here? This Insignia TV has a 42-inch screen, which is a great size for most rooms. It's big enough to enjoy movies with friends, but not so big that it overwhelms your space. The LED screen delivers bright and vivid colors, making your entertainment really pop. But the real star of the show is the Smart Fire TV part. This means you get all the benefits of a smart TV built right in, powered by Amazon's Fire TV platform. We're talking streaming apps, voice control, and a whole lot more. We'll take a closer look at that in just a bit. Now let's talk resolution. This Insignia TV boasts full HD resolution, which is 1080p. Don't let the fancy terms confuse you. All it means is that you're getting a crystal clear picture with sharp details. Whether you're watching fast-paced action scenes or enjoying a nature documentary with stunning landscapes, you'll be able to see everything in beautiful detail. And the best part is, full HD content is readily available on most streaming services, so you'll have plenty to watch. Okay, let's talk about the smart features. As I mentioned earlier, this Insignia TV has Fire TV built in, and that's a game changer. It's like having a whole entertainment center right there in your TV. You can access all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, and more, all without needing any extra devices. Just connect your TV to Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and you're good to go. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. Fire TV also gives you access to a ton of free content through apps like YouTube, Pluto TV, and Tubi. You can watch news, sports, movies, and even live channels all for free. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, you get even more perks. You can access Prime Video's library of movies and TV shows, plus listen to music with Amazon Music. And with the included voice remote, you can control everything with your voice. Just press the microphone button and say what you want to watch. It's like magic. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Honestly, there isn't a major catch with this TV, especially at this price. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the sound quality is decent, but it's not going to blow you away. If you're a serious audiophile, you might want to consider adding a soundbar. Second, while the Fire TV platform is great, it can feel a little limited compared to some other smart TV operating systems. You might not find every single app you're looking for. But let's be real, for $139.99, this Insignia TV is an absolute steal. You're getting a 42-inch full HD screen, smart features with Fire TV, and the peace of mind that comes with a trusted brand like Insignia. It's perfect for anyone who wants a great TV without spending a fortune. Whether you're a student on a budget, looking for a second TV for your bedroom, or just want a solid TV at an unbeatable price, this Insignia TV is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, folks. The Insignia 42-inch Class F20 Series LED Full HD Smart Fire TV is an incredible value for the price. It's a great option for budget-conscious shoppers who don't want to compromise on features. If you're looking for a new TV, I highly recommend checking this one out. And with a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 3,555 reviews, you know you're getting a quality product. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Head over to Best Buy or their website and grab yours today. Thanks for watching.